Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a review of these Luposwiten solar-powered motion sensor lights. In this video review, I'll be going over the features and functions of these awesome motion sensor lights and telling you about my own personal opinion on them. Without further ado, let's get right into the video review. As you can see right here, this is what the motion sensor lights look like. And as you can see, there are actually 28 LEDs inside of each of these, and those 28 LEDs produce a great amount of light. If you take a look on the top here, you can see that there is the solar panel. Now the solar panel is fairly large in comparison to the actual LED panel, which is great because that means that it's going to get a great amount of charging from the solar light, and it's going to allow these to be nice and bright, which I will show you what they look like when they're illuminated momentarily. Now this right here is actually the motion sensor. So what's going to happen is you're going to leave this mounted throughout the day. It's going to charge up through the motion sensor at the top here, through the solar panel at the top here. And when it gets dark, that's going to allow this to know that it is nighttime. And when this senses motion during the night, it's going to illuminate and it's going to look something like this. As you can see, they are really, really bright. They're actually changing the way that the camera responds to the lighting as soon as they go on, as soon as they turn on. They're really, really bright. These produce a great amount of light, and the thing that I love about them is that they're so compact. So with regards to their size, as you can see, they're extremely compact, which means that they are also extremely lightweight, which is absolutely fantastic. You don't need a big area to put these in. You know, you can just place them in a small area, and you can also place more than one. You can place two of them, you know, not too far apart, and they're probably going to allow the motion sensor to catch the same motion, and they're going to turn on most likely at relatively similar times. But they're going to produce twice the brightness if they're together, because as you can see, there's going to be twice the number of LED lights. Now these are two of them right here, and as you can see, these come in the 2-pack. So right here you can see this is what the 2-pack looks like. As you can see right here, it says 28 pieces for 28 LED lights in here, but they also come in a 4-pack. So if you need 4 of them, then guess what? You can get the 4-pack. You can see this is the 4-pack right here, and this over here is the 2-pack. Now they're absolutely awesome also simply because they're so easy to mount. As you can see right here, there are these holes. You simply put screws through them. They're easy to mount. You can mount them outside of your garage, which I'm filming this video in right now in my garage. I can mount them right outside of my garage. You can mount them in your driveway, in your yard, in your garden, against a fence, against a gate, outside of your front door. You can mount them anywhere as long as that area gets some light to charge up the solar powered panel up here. Now it's cool because let's say you were to mount it like this. The solar panel is not directly perfectly flat like that, and it's not directly perfectly flat like this. It's on an angle, which means that it's going to get a good amount of sun. As the sun goes around, it's going to hit this solar panel and it's going to allow it to get a great charge. Now as you can see right there, the reason that it's illuminating as I put my hand over the solar panel is because it's allowing it to know that it's nighttime. Well, I'm sort of simulating nighttime. It's bright in the garage, but I'm simulating nighttime by doing that. And you can see, just based on my hand, you can see how much it just illuminates my hand. And I like the fact, like I said, that they are really bright in my opinion, and they're also relatively small, lightweight, and compact. You don't need a lot of space for them, but they're going to provide a lot of light. It's a good value with regards to the light that they provide in comparison to the space that they take up. And that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video review of these Luposwiten solar-powered motion sensor lights. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.